Is your organization undergoing changes that are impacting its productivity? Do you wish to align these advancements into the system you already have in place? The McKinsey 7S model, shared in this video, is one of the most popular and tested tools to measure change and correlate it to other elements and organizational efficacy. Download this ready-to-use McKinsey 7S Strategic Management PPT to enhance the efficiency and productivity of your business. Start with setting expectations and an easy-to-follow path for the next few minutes or hours using this meeting agenda template. Next, have the audience's attention as a knowledgeable and authoritative presenter on this management model and its 7 elements with a cogent explanation of the parts. Strategy, structure, and systems are the 3 hard S, while shared values, skills, style, and staff are the 4 soft S elements of the McKinsey model. The 3 hard S, strategy, structure, and systems are easy to recognize, tangible elements of an organization. These are clear-cut and influenced by management or their decisions. This presentation deck includes professional templates to create or refine business strategies, organization structure or hierarchy, and systems technologies, resources, rewards, and much more. Download the McKinsey 7S model presentation and get access to these high-quality presentation slides now. Skills, shared values, staff, and style are the remaining elements in soft S of the McKinsey 7S model. These are fuzzier, intangible, and depend, more or less, on corporate culture. Shared values, initially known as superordinate goals, include the vision, mission, objectives, values, and work ethics of an organization. This thread keeps all other 6S together and propels the changes made in any 1S to all others. Analyze skills and resources to understand their current position and find gaps that should be filled to take your business to new heights. This PPT deck also includes value-added questions for detailed analysis of each internal element and access changes in or improve them. It will also keep the presentation two-way and highly engaging with the audience. Along with the pre-designed framework, these questions help in the easy execution of the 7S model in business. Toward the end, recap the internal element analyses, share related insights, and the next steps or changes planned for these 7S with this presentation design. We have included additional slides in this PPT bundle to present your company profile, team, 30, 60, 90-day plan, SWOT, and timelines. You will also find column charts and post-it notes in this. McKinsey 7's framework is a management tool that assesses the well-being and success of an organization. It aligns the 7 key business elements for improving productivity, especially after a significant change. Internalize the strategic management process and understand how to use this tool effectively with this presentation design today. Download the expert-designed McKinsey 7S Strategic Management PPT from the link below and move towards perfectly aligned organizations. Visit www.slideteam.net for more such business management presentations and templates.